Did you hear it, Ram? Listen. Here? I hear it. Huh! Oh, I heard it rattle. It's running around the road. Where'd it come from?
Caught it.
Where'd it come from?
Under the couch.
Yep.
Thank you, Mama.
What? Look, I'll do that again, but your grandma ain't gonna have it this time. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Ready? Here it goes. It's gone.
Oh, no, it's not. It's not. It's not.
It's locked up.
It's right.
Kids can't play with that. It's locked up. Kids can't play with that one. It's locked up.
My phone charged.
Fully. Want me to take the charger off?
Yours?
I'll give it to
No.
your grandma. Here, grandma. Take it, grandma. Grandma.
Oh no!
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for good care.
Oh, wait.
Oh, she can take it. Give it back here. 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 Cut throat now. I don't want to cut your hands.
Nana boo-boo. Can I put it back together?
Yeah, she broke it.
You guys broke it?
She broke it. Look at that. Right in half. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Good catch, Jesse. Yeah, good catch, Jesse.
Am I a good hider, though?
Show me the hands. Are you a good hider? No. No.
Oh!
I get it.
I'll get it.